You're not gonna believe it. But even on 4th of July, when everything feels a little slower, our Democrats are still doing the work. Daily Dems doing the work, making noise and fighting back, day 159. It is the last day of Wesley Bell's week of repping the rep, and this was his message for 4th of July. Today we celebrate America's promise, but we don't ignore its unfinished work. Freedom means justice, opportunity, and dignity for everyone. I hope you've enjoyed getting to know Wesley Bell over the past week. Next week's rep will be announced Sunday. I know a lot of people aren't celebrating 4th of July. I know I'm not. But for some people, it's cathartic. For those people, how great that Marcy Kaptur posted this list of labor-friendly 4th of July products. Troy Carter is hosting a town hall in New Orleans next Thursday. He will be joined by members of the House Democratic Steering and Policy Committee, Hakeem Jeffries, Debbie Wasserman Schultz, Nanette Barragan, and Robin Kelly. This is just proof that Democrats are showing up in the South. Morgan McGarvey gave a hopeful speech at a 4th of July parade today. It begins, recognize that this is the exact moment we cannot give up. Senator Martin Heinrich posted his family's American dream story. I think a lot of people think that members of Congress come from cushy backgrounds. In fact, most of them have pretty similar story to Heinrich's. Yes, even Republicans, though they couldn't care less about theirs. Jill Takuda posted how she got to Hawaii and back before and after the vote. I've thought about how much trouble it was for the lower 48 to get to and from DC this time, but it was so much more complicated for Jill Takuda. And as Teresa Ledrick Fernandez commented, this is all possible only because of the schedulers. They are the heroes of democracy. Lori Trahan posted debunking what DT was going to say before he signed the big ugly bill into law. Definitely worth checking out the whole thing. And finally, Richie Torres announced on the briefing with Jen Psaki last night he's drafting a resolution to condemn Andy Ogles for his racism towards Hakeem Jeffries, his Islamophobia towards Zoran Mamdani. He also mentions that he has been meeting with Mamdani, so that's worth noting too. Wow, I managed to do this quickly today. Claps for me. You made it to the end of this post. Comment with 7 words because that helps the algorithm. And an American flag. And if you watched or read any of these stories, comment with what you learned. And a hibiscus flower. Because the amount of effort it took our reps to make sure to get back for that vote in time is incredible. Our voices are our superpower, but only when we use them.